Today's May 31st. Today's quote is entitled, "You are dancing, she is dancing." This is a quote from Srila Prabhupada. You are dancing, she is dancing. You are singing, she is singing. You are cooking, she is cooking. So what is the difference between you and her? To Krishna, you are the same. So what is Prabhupada addressing? He's addressing an issue, obvious issue, that men feel themselves superior to women. Now, we understand we're not the body. In an organization that teaches that we're not the body, we sometimes have to deal with the fact that there is discrimination based on the body. There shouldn't be. Shastra tells us the differences of men and women, and then sometimes we use that to discriminate against women or discriminate against other ethnic groups, which of course is not part of our philosophy. So I thought I just wanted to include this quote. I would include this quote just so we can hear from Prabhupada his attitude. He encouraged women to do any service that they were qualified to do. He didn't make a distinction. He said if they're qualified, they can give class. He said generally men will want to give class, or men will have the inclination to teach, but if a woman is as qualified, then she can give class, there's no problem. Prabhupada said they could open temples. They could do so many things, of course, book distribution and so forth. So he was very happy to hear that they were doing these things. We, as representatives of Prabhupada, and those of us who are leaders or managers, we should not make this distinction. Prabhupada is saying, they can cook, we cook, they cook, we chant, they chant. What is the difference? Don't make a distinction. Distinction, of course, is due to our ignorance, but we shouldn't make it. And so that's Prabhupada's point. It's not much to say about it, but I wanted to read it, just have it on the record, just so, in case you haven't heard Prabhupada say this, or in case in a certain part of the world where you live, things are not exactly like this. Let's at least hear what Prabhupada said, what he wanted. Hare Krishna.